Wanted to provide an update of everything that we've done in the garage since we acquired our prefab. I've installed the majority of the electrical. We had an electrician help us install the big fat 1112 line. We have installed sheetrock ourselves. My husband invented this extension on our scaffold. We're still mudding, and then we'll sand next. It's looking pretty good. We're going to leave the walls un-sheetrocked and uninsulated. We've also insulated. This is our stairway up to the upper story. Have a little work to do here. We're going to sheetrock all this. Still have some walls to do, but we have sheetrocked a lot of it. Ceiling's done, thankfully. This is the main wall we need to sheetrock. Insulated everything. We've had the blow-in insulation folks over just to save us some time and just to make it easy. This whole panel, which is on an angle and will be a closet, has blown in. Not blown in, but has been foam insulated.